mint or peppermint tea. Put that in. Hot water. And then you squeeze a lemon in. Squeeze that lemon in. And then the secret ingredient here is crushed red pepper. And it gives it a little spice, a little kick, which knocks out those coughs. And I actually learned it from one of my clients a few years ago. And it works really well if you have, you know, that tickle in your throat and that cough all day. So, oh, and some honey. I forgot the honey. Little bit of honey. Got your cough tea.